Hello everyone, welcome to Lukmaan IAS. My name is Jahidul. Today we are going to have a DTRS session wherein we are going to discuss 10 important current affair topics, and we are going to discuss these topics through MCQs. And the lead topic for today's discussion will be based on cities coalition for circularity. So we are going to understand what is cities coalition for circularity. And before we go ahead, let us quickly see this quotation. This quotation is a very important quotation. Okay, what it says: the road to the success and the road to failure are almost exactly the same. Okay, so road to success and road to failure are almost same. So this quotation basically says that, like, if you want to succeed in life, right, you have to experiment with something new. You have to put risk into it, and you have to, let's say, think for the best. Okay, and you need to do your best, right? You have to put effort, you have to take risk, and you have to keep on innovating. That's the thing. But the thing is, this may lead to success also, this may lead to failure as well. So that's why he says that the road to success and the road to failure are almost exactly the same. And such quotations are very much important for the UPSC essay paper, and also it is important for the GS paper 4. Alright, so with this, let us now quickly move to the, let's say, to understand about some programs at Lukmaan IAS. At Lukmaan IAS, we have announced the Public Admin Foundation batch, which is going to start from 3rd of June 2025. Admissions are open in this batch. Alright, then we have Panch Sutra All India Prelims mock test. So this particular test series is important for all of you who are preparing for this year's UPSC prelim, which is going to happen in the month of May. There are 5 tests. One test has already been conducted. Second will be conducted on 29th of March. So you can join the Panch Sutra, let's say, All India Prelims mock test series. Then this is Ethics Foundation batch, right? All of you who want to improve your score in GS paper 4, you can join the Ethics Foundation batch, which is going to start from 2nd of June 2025. If you need any further information related to these batches, you can contact our admissions team, and they are going to help you with further information. So these are the 10 topics that we are going to discuss in detail today. Alright, so let us now talk about the first topic. Alright, so this topic talks about cities coalition for circularity. Alright, so here we will understand what is cities coalition for circularity. Alright, so basically cities coalition for circularity was in news because the Union Minister for Housing and Urban Affairs has recently announced this particular coalition, cities coalition for circularity. Alright, so based on this, let's say, we have multiple statements. So first statement says it is a multi-nation alliance that promotes cities to city collaboration, knowledge sharing and private sector partnerships. Okay, multi-nation alliance means like more than one countries, multiple countries are participating together, but it is not a coalition or between the central government. It is a coalition between city to city, between different nations. Okay, that's the thing. It says it was announced at 12th Regional 3R and Circular Economy Forum in Asia and the Pacific, held in New Delhi. Okay, so this particular coalition, it was held in Jaipur. Where? It was held in Jaipur in India, in the state of Rajasthan. Okay, Jaipur in Rajasthan, that's the thing. Now let us talk about third statement. It says the initiative aims to act as a catalyst. The initiative aims to act as a catalyst for resource efficiency and a low carbon economy, strengthening cooperation among policymakers, industry leaders and researchers. This statement is also right. Okay. And fourth statement, here it says that the Jaipur Declaration to be adopted. Okay, so Jaipur Declaration is being adopted, but it is not a binding commitment. Okay, it is a non-binding commitment. It is a non-binding and voluntary commitment. Alright, so that's why option A is the right answer, which is 1 and 3 are correct. Statements 1 and 3 are correct. So this is the newspaper article that has inspired us to frame this question. Okay, now let us move to the next question. This is question number 2 for us. Now it is saying with reference to Mission 300. Okay, Mission 300. So we will understand what is Mission 300. Basically it is an initiative of African Development Organization. Okay, and the World Bank. Okay, African Bank, I think, for Development and World Bank. So they have participated together, and they want to make electricity accessible to 300 million people in sub-African region. That's the thing. So this is the initiative. So it says it aims to provide electricity access to 300 million people in East Asian countries by 2030. Okay, so everything is correct except the name of the countries. It is Sub-Saharan Africa. Okay, I think Sub-Saharan African countries. Okay, basically it is for Africa, not for East Asia. Okay, that's the thing. So that's why first statement is wrong. Now when we talk about second statement, okay, second statement, it focuses on expanding the electricity grid, deploying mini grids and using solar solutions for off-grid commitments. This statement is right. Third statement, it says the initiative is led by IMF. No, it is led by two organizations. One is World Bank, all right. Then second is we have another organization which is African Development Bank. Okay, African Development Bank. Okay, AFDB. So that's why only option C, which is 2 only, is correct. 5 powerful lessons from India's electrification success for Mission 300. Okay, so this particular mission is for African countries of Sub-Saharan Africa. Now we have another question. So we will quickly read this particular question. What it says: consider the following statements about ferrihydrite. Okay, it is related to ferrihydrite. So they have given 2 statements related to it. Read these statements and then we will solve this question. Okay. So basically recently a study was conducted, right? This study revealed that red color of Mars could be due to the presence of an iron containing material. Okay. And that iron containing material is known as ferrihydrite. Okay, so a study was conducted for Mars to understand what is the composition, like why the color of the planet is red. Okay, it is because the presence of ferrihydrite. It is iron containing material. Okay, so it says it is known to trap water and protect organic molecules and forms rapidly in cool water. This statement is wrong. Why it is wrong? It forms by rapid oxidation and hydrolysis and exist in varying degrees of structure disorder basically. Okay, so that's why this statement is wrong. Second, it is commonly found in soils, weathered rocks, acid mine effluents and around the hot and cold springs. Okay, so this statement is also wrong related to this. Okay, so it is one of the initial corrosion. Okay, and it is precursor to the formation of stable mineral phases of geothite, etc. So that's why this statement is also wrong. Correct answer is option D, which is neither 1 nor 2. We have given detailed explanation also. Basically you need to understand that why ferrihydrite is being studied, because it is an iron mineral and this is the reason for the Mars red color of the planet Mars. Now this is another question. Let us quickly see this question. Read this question, take your time. So this is regarding a tiger reserve. It is Kaval Tiger Reserve. Consider the following statements regarding Kaval Tiger Reserve. So they have given 3 statements. It says it is located in the Western Ghats forming part of the Sahyadri mountain ranges. This statement is wrong. Basically it is located in Eastern Ghats. It is located in Eastern Ghats. Alright. So basically it is located nearby Telangana, Deccan Plateau in Eastern Ghats, not in the Western Ghats. So that's why this statement is wrong. The reserve is part of the Central Indian Tiger Landscape and shares connectivity with Tadoba, Andheri and Indravati Tiger Reserves. Okay, Tadoba, Andheri and Indravati Tiger Reserves. So now let us understand about this. Alright. So this particular statement is correct. Alright. And this statement is correct. Third statement is wrong. It says like it is primarily covered by tropical evergreen forest. It is not tropical evergreen forest, it is dry deciduous forest. Okay, which kind of forest? It is dry deciduous forests. Okay. So third is also wrong. Correct answer is option B, which is 2 only. Okay. Option B, 2 only. It says how tech is helping rewrite conservation at Kabul Tiger Reserve. Now let us understand about another question. Question number 5. Okay. Let's discuss about this question. With reference to dolphins, consider the following statements. We have 3 statements. Okay. First, it says India is home to only 2 species of freshwater dolphin, Ganges and Indus, which serves as bioindicator of healthy river ecosystem. This statement is right. So in India we have 2 species of dolphins. Alright, so they are Ganges and Indus. The highest number of dolphins are found in Bihar, followed by West Bengal. These states are wrong. Okay, basically highest number of dolphins were found in the state of UP, and after then in the state of Bihar. Okay, and after then in the state of Bihar. That's the thing, UP followed by Bihar. Now third statement, dolphins act as an umbrella species and their conservation has direct impact on their habitat and biodiversity. This statement is also right. Correct answer is option A, which is 1 and 3 only. Okay. So see, like it says India has estimated 6,327 river dolphins across 8 states. So recently a kind of a study was conducted to understand about the number of dolphins in India, and so according to this report around 6,327 dolphins are there in India. Okay. Now let us read this question. Okay, take your time. So it's related to Bolgard. Okay, kind of, so wherever cotton cultivation is done, so it is related to that. Okay, so what has happened in recent years, why